So Pete, we've got a nice little demo here on the Doosan at CIS. What tools do Vargus have on this part?
Okay, well this demo that we've done with CIS today was just to prove our grooving tools. Okay, so a nice little tool. We used 8 tools in the process, and this ended up being a finished part. So within this, what we did was we roughed the profile on the outside, and then we roughed the diameters at the back. We then went on to finish the face groove, okay, finish the profile, finish the back groove and thread, and also within that we managed to drill a hole into the middle and then groove out an undercut on the inside.
Sure, so obviously a lot of people know you for threading inserts, maybe not necessarily grooving, so just tell us a little bit about your range.
Okay, the GrooveX range is part of not necessarily a new range that we've got, but as you say, many people probably don't know Vargus or Vardex for our GrooveX range. So now we've got a full complement of tools for the range, which from part off, internal, external, threading, undercuts, radius tools, the full shooting match really.
And if we go back to this job here, talk us through some of the cutting data on the part.
Okay, so we're on this particular tool. The particular tools, when we was roughing, we were doing about 180 metres a minute. Okay, at 0.3. Face grooving, we ran that at more or less the same, 160 metres a minute at 0.1. Then when we went on to do the finishing the parts off, the finish was running at about 120 metres a minute with the parts off of about 0.1 feed.
So for people watching this, just to conclude, why should they buy Vargus grooving, not just threading, and how do people find out more?
Okay, well, the reasons to give us a try on all of our grooving products is predominantly, yes, we're known for threading, but within the threading there's always an undercut usually put into the job as well. We can move on from that. We've got something now to cover all of your grooving applications. We cover all the materials, all the different applications, so give us a try. Look us up on the website or give us a ring.